Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Manuel Keen, and today you see it in the title. We're going to be talking about how to get over 100,000 followers on TikTok as a musician. Your boy got 500,000 followers on TikTok, man, and I am a musician. So whatever I learn, y'all need to know it too. You feel me? So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. We a movement, boy. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, so I came up with 5 things that you need to do in order to become successful as a musician on TikTok, okay, and how you can get over 100,000 followers on TikTok. These methods are proven. It works, okay? Look at me. Okay, I got over 500,000 followers on TikTok, and I've got a lot of streams, I've got a lot of fans, I've got a lot of traffic going to my pages, and all of that stuff. So I need this for you. Y'all have to have this too, okay? Like I said, everything that I learned, I want to be able to give it to you guys so I can provide some type of value for you guys. So we're not finna beat around the bush. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Number 1, post what everybody else is posting. When I have people come up to me and they ask me, yo, Keen, I see you doing numbers, I see you doing this, I see you doing that, I see your numbers going up, you getting a whole bunch of followers on IG. We'll talk about that in another video, but you getting a whole bunch of followers on IG, you getting a whole bunch of followers on TikTok. What is your secret? I literally tell them what everybody else's secret is. Literally tell them that, bro. I just say, look, I'll scroll through TikTok, I type in hashtags, you know, rapping, trending raps, freestyles, these types of things, or these types of terminologies that fit in the categorical space of music, and I see what other artists are doing on TikTok and what's working, what's trending. I know, and I have some film experience as my background, so I know exactly how to replicate that and implement that with my own thing, with my own music, so then I could then copy it, but put my own spin on it, because I know that this algorithmic thing that the other musicians are doing on TikTok works, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So I say all of that to say this is exactly what you need to do in order to be successful on TikTok as a musician. Everybody is doing it now. All of the major artists are doing it. Don't be that person that missed this wave, okay? Don't be that, oh, I don't want to do TikTok because it's gonna put me in a box. I don't want to be TikTok because it's gonna people aren't gonna take me serious. People aren't gonna, no, stop all that, okay? Your favorite artist is doing TikTok. The Baby is doing TikTok. DDG is doing TikTok. All the Lil Baby is doing TikTok. Everybody is doing TikTok, okay? So you need to do that too. Stop playing, all right? Don't have that whatever is going on in your mental, okay? Leave that alone. That's not what we're worried about, okay? Do what everybody else is doing. That is the key. Excuse me. That is the key in order to win. That is the key to success on TikTok. I've got over 500,000 dollars. I've got over 5,000 followers. 500,000 followers. It works, okay? It works. It works. It works. Listen to what I'm saying. Post what you see on TikTok, and I promise you will be successful. Now, number 2, we're gonna be going over the times to post, okay? Now, I've done this before. I've actually enrolled in Robert Benjamin's course, so I've posted on all of these times, and I have success. I have had success with all of these times before, and I will give you my most successful time, okay? But I'm gonna give you 3 times that you need to be posting on TikTok. Number 1, you need to post from 10 to 12, okay? 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Number 2, you need to post from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's like prime time when kids get off of work. When kids get out of school, when adults get off of work, that's prime time. People are going to go through their phones. They're going to see what's going on TikTok. That's prime time, okay? 3 to 5 p.m. Number 3 is 7 p.m. to 11 p.m., okay? Now, you can guess what time works best for moi, okay? I live in Los Angeles, California, so prime time for me is posting between the 3 o'clock range and the 5 p.m. range. I would definitely go to your analytics, okay, on TikTok and see what times your followers in your region, because TikTok is geographically based, geocentric, I believe, or I don't know what the exact words, but whenever you put out content, it's gonna go to the people that's around you first, okay? So I think it's geocentric if I'm not mistaken, but TikTok is that demographic based, right? So you want to make sure that whatever time you post, you want to post it at when the kids get out of school and when the adults get off of work. Okay, so be sure to do that whenever you're posting. It's very, very important. Now, what I would do is I'd come up with about 1 to 2 pieces of content a day, and I would be like, okay, judging off of what this content is, which one works best or which one is funnier to me. I would post the one that's less funnier probably in the 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. margin or 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. margin, and post your best content or your best form of content on that and during prime time, which is either 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, I would definitely do that. So those are the times that you want to post if you want to be successful on TikTok as a musician. Now, number 3, good quality content. You must, and I repeat, you must have good quality content. Now, you do have those videos that go viral that have, blurry imagery and bad lighting and things like that, but that's very few and far in between. Now, to ensure that you go viral or to ensure that your content is going to be digested with success, you want to make sure that it's good quality content. What does that mean? That means I got people blowing up my phone right now. This is crazy. Hold on. Let me turn this on silent because this is being distracting. Okay, so make sure that you have a ring light. Oops. Let me so hold on. Let me put that back. My fault. Boom. There's a ring light. I know that might. I'm sorry for y'all. Y'all are beautiful. Okay, I ain't mean to glare your face. I apologize. But as you can clearly see, make sure you got a ring light. Okay, make sure you have a ring light, have good lighting. Make sure that you have a decent quality form of camera. Okay, don't give me no, I can't afford it or I can't do this, I can't do that. I am very aware that there are certain circumstances that hinder people from getting good cameras and things like that. However, the world doesn't give care. I forgot this is a family channel. The world does not care about your struggles, okay? And everything that you got going on. You need to figure out some type of way to save some money and buy you a decent quality camera, okay? Ring light, decent quality camera, and get you a tripod stand. Set that G thing up and get to working, okay? So make sure that you have good quality content. I promise you, you will not go wrong with that. Make sure that you have that in order to get success on TikTok, okay? That is number 3. Number 4, hashtags. All right. Now, with these hashtags, I know there's other TikTok people that say you have to do this hashtag, that hashtag, this hashtag, that hashtag. I'm going to go really, really simple with it, okay? Make sure that you hashtag FYP, which is a trending hashtag for you page, right? And make sure that whatever hashtags that you use after that, now, you need to have at least 3, not at least, at the most 3 to 5 hashtags. Do not bombard your post with a whole bunch of hashtags on TikTok because that's going to mess up the algorithm, and it's also going to, that's also damaging to your watch time, because what people do is they're going to go and they're going to search hashtags, and when they see that if you put hashtags that aren't related to the content that you're posting, they're gonna watch your video and they're gonna click off, which is bad for your watch time, which means that you're not gonna go viral on TikTok. So do not, and I repeat, do not put hashtags that do not have anything to do with your post, okay? You are damaging yourself by doing that. You need to put trending hashtags, which means FYP, for your page, trending, those are trending hashtags. And then you need to put 2 niche-specific hashtags that cater to your video. So if you're talking about dating, put dating. If you're talking about cosmetics, put hashtag cosmetics. If you're talking about makeup, put hashtag makeup. Makeup and cosmetics is the same thing, but you get my point. Make sure that it's catering to whatever topic your video or your content is talking about, okay? So very simple. Make sure that it's within that realm and you'll be fine. Do not go over 5 hashtags. I told y'all this already. I don't want to have to repeat myself, okay? Don't go over 5 hashtags. So that is number 4, man. Number 5, and this is I don't want to say it's the most important, but it's very, very important. Create a series out of whatever is working. So let's go ahead and put our minds in the theoretical space of you doing exactly what I told you to do 1 through 4. On number 5, you've gone viral already. You've posted the right time. You've seen something that works. You did that already. You have good quality content. You got good hashtags, and now your post got over 100,000 views in less than a day, or 200,000 views in less than a day. Okay, that's beautiful. That's what we want. Your post got that. Now, what do you need to do in order to capitalize off of that? Create a series out of it. You have to create a series out of it. If this worked for you, if you got a whole bunch of followers off of the video that you did, why wouldn't you do it again? That is ludicrous to me. I don't understand why people do that. They literally have something that works, that goes viral, then they completely get away from it. Why, bro? It don't make no sense to me. If it works, you need to do it over and over again. Over and over again. You need to do it over and over again, okay? Create a series out of it. Do different types of things in order to, implement that exact same strategy that you use in order to boost yourself up in the TikTok algorithm with that content. Use that, and then think of different types of ways to, do that exact same form of content, but switch it up. Use some different people, use some different topics, be in different areas, be in different places. Whatever it is, do that exact same form of content, but do it differently, and just keep on recycling it over and over and over and over again. And I promise you, you will go up. If you took a look at my page, you'll see that's exactly what I did, and that's exactly why I have 500,000 followers right now. I took some content that worked for me, and I just recycled it over and over and over and over again. That is in itself going to help you get over 100,000 followers on TikTok, man. Very simple. 5 steps. I went ahead and, laid it all out for you guys. So now all you guys got to do is implement that, go for it, and be great. Okay. Now, if you got any questions, please go ahead and go into the comment section and let me know what you guys have to ask me. I will be sure, and I'll try my best to answer any comments or any questions that you guys have. If you have any more questions, go ahead and go to my DMs, slide in there if you want to, and ask me questions. I will be sure to adhere to you guys' questions over there as well. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Also too, please be sure to like the video as well. We need to get pushed up in the algorithm, man. You feel me? We're doing great right now, but it's always good to get more. With this valuable information, I feel like more people need to know about it, and they need to hear about it. Okay, so go ahead and like this video, man. Smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, fam. Gang.